Hey, how you going, rock stars? Tough enough for cruising. If you're looking to get some good cleaning products for your truck, this is what we've been using. Well, we've just started using it, truth be known. So I've already done some washing with it, and I've just added wiper fluid because I've run out of my other products. And today I'm giving the truck a full clean after we come back from Cape Palmerston. So I'll keep you updated on how great this stuff is. But the wash that I've used has been awesome, and now I'm about to use the tyre shine, and I've just put in the off-road windscreen fluid. So they've got products for everything. Windscreen cleaner, tyre shine, camper and caravan stuff, off-road protective sealer, underbody protection, I'm going to put that on today. Off-road premium wash, I've already used that, that's awesome, you don't need much of that actually. And the interior cleaner, that is amazing. I've done the interior of the truck there about 2 weeks ago and just come back from a trip. Now I'm just going to touch it up again today. Alrighty, so if you need to get yourself some cleaning products, get hold of this Groundswell stuff and get into it. I'll keep you updated to how she's holding up, but the wash has been really good, plenty of beading, and the interior just brought my interior back up smoking hot. I didn't do it, SB cleaned the interior, I must admit. So anyhow, have a good day. Ciao, bye.